Ang swerte mo kasi nakapunta ka ng Canada. Ang yaman mo na talaga. Siguro ang dami mo ng ipon. Libre naman. Yan ang mga katagang naririnig ko magmula nung nakapunta ako ng Canada. Akala kasi ng karamihan kapag nagtatrabaho nakatira ka abroad, napakadami mo ng pera. Akala ng mga kaibigan at pamilya mo porket dollars ang kinikita mo, napakadami na ng ipon mo. Hindi nila alam, napakahirap ng buhay abroad. Please don't get me wrong ha, I'm super grateful that I was given a chance to migrate here in Canada. And also, nabigyan ako ng chance na madala yung parents ko dito. Canada is a very beautiful country, pero sabi nga nila, sa kahit anong bagay, walang perfect. Canada humbled me so much. When I moved to Toronto 4 years ago, akala ko magiging madali lang lahat. Bakit? Kasi I have more than 10 years of working experience under my belt, and sabi ko sa sarili ko, graduate naman ako, so siguro makakakuha agad ako ng trabaho. Naaalala ko pa dati, sabi ko, pagdating ko na Canada, magtatrabaho agad ako para makaipon and eventually makabili ng sariling sasakyan at syempre makabili ng sariling bahay. Bilang isang immigrant, pangarap ko rin na makapagpadala ng balikbayan box sa pamilya ko. Pangarap ko kasi na yung tipong sila naman yung mag-open ng sarili nilang box and eventually share the blessings to others. And of course, bilang isang anak, pangarap ko rin na madala agad yung mga magulang ko dito. Pero lahat ng yon, puro akala lang pala. So it took me a couple of months to look for a job, and when I finally landed to a full-time job, nagulat ako kasi hindi pala kasya yung income ko that time. My husband works in sales, and kahit dalawa na kami nagtatrabaho full-time, enough lang yung kinikita namin para sa mga bills. Siyempre, nandyan yung renta ng bahay, grocery, pambayad ng credit cards, phone lines, insurance, at siyempre, ang pinakamahalaga, yung pera na ipinapadala natin sa Pilipinas. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan ko talaga ng way para kumita ng extra. Kasi may mga emergency situation, mga bagay na hindi mo talaga may iwasan na kailangan mo magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas. Natatandaan ko, meron pa nga sitwasyon na may emergency sa bahay and kailangan ko magpadala ng pera, pero kahit $50, hirap na hirap ako ipadala sa kanila because tight din yung budget ko dito sa Canada. So I tried working 2 to 3 jobs. My husband also tried working 2 jobs, pero ang nasacrifice naman would be yung health at yung time namin for each other. So back in 2021, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I really need to look for something that I can do on the side to earn extra money. I prayed hard and asked the Lord, sabi ko, Lord, please direct me to an opportunity that will allow me to earn extra money without really requiring so much time and effort from me. And you know, when you pray, God will really answer those prayers. So back in 2021, it was a typical Sunday morning. I was on my phone and social media, browse lang. And all of a sudden, I keep on seeing these video ads about an online business. Mga Pinoy na nagsabi na nabago yung buhay nila because of the business. And nung una, ang dami kong beses na in-skip kasi ang nasa isip ko, it was a scam. Ang nasa isip ko, too good to be true kasi parang napaka-imposible na kumita ng 5 figures in just one day. So I keep on skipping it until one day, sa sobrang pagod ko sa trabaho, and that was the time na kailangan ko magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas and I also don't have money to send them. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not take that chance to look into that opportunity? I-check ko lang, baka good fit. Kung hindi, edi hindi. Kung totoo, edi maganda. Kung hindi, edi let go. So I signed up in their website. I just added my name and my email address and they started sending me more information about the business. So, I did my research, I did my due diligence, nakipag-video call pa ako dun sa tao na nakita ko para lang ma-prove ko na, you know, they're real people and that what they're offering is legitimate. Nagulat ako actually kasi they added me in a private group and dun ko nakita na sobrang dami na palang tao na gumagawa nitong business na to. Iba't ibang lahi, global business siya, and madami na ring mga pamilya yung nabago ang buhay because of the online business. So, because of that, you know, I decided to jump in. Fast forward today, I'm now a proud online business owner. I still work full-time and I do this business on the side. I just work on this business for 2 hours a day. And you know, because of this business, I was able to earn extra money consistently every month. Hindi ko na kailangan problemahin kung may sakit ako, kailangan kong pumasok kasi kailangan ko ng pera. Hindi ko na kailangan pagdaanin ko yung mga pagkakataon na yun. And I'm very, very grateful for that. Because of the business then, I was able to meet the requirement para ma-sponsor yung mga magulang ko to go here in Canada. So last year, August of 2023, my parents arrived here in Canada. And yes, up until now, nandito sila sa akin sa Toronto. I was also given a chance na madala sila sa, you know, beautiful places here in Canada. Nakapagbakasyon kami ng 2 weeks sa Calgary, Alberta last year. Napakita ko sa kanila ang Banff na dati nakikita lang nila sa postcards, sa TV. Pero ngayon, you know, they get to experience it in person. And I'm super, super grateful for that. If you can relate to my story, if you're also a daughter like me, an immigrant like me who wanted to give back more to your family back home, or maybe you're an employee like me who's already tired of working, long hours, rendering overtime to overtime, and then still at the end of the day, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Still at the end of the day, you're still buried in a mountain of debts. Then it's time for you to change that. Just click the link below, sign up your name, your email address, and I will send you more information about the business. Maybe maraming beses ka na rin nakakita ng ads na ganito and you keep on skipping it. And maybe this is a sign for you to give it a chance, look into it, check it out, research, and maybe this is also a good fit for you. And maybe ito na rin yung solution na hinahanap mo at hinihingi mo kay Lord. So yeah, if you're interested, just click the link below, sign up your name and email address, and I will start sending you more information about the business. I hope to see you inside, and thank you for watching. God bless.